In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Docusign envelopes by SMS 5 minutes. Let's get started by signing into your Docusign account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can create and send documents. If you're using Docusign regularly, it's helpful to keep your commonly used templates handy. But for now, we'll start from scratch. Create a new envelope. Think of an envelope as the package that holds your documents and recipient details. Upload the file or files you need signed by dragging them in or selecting them from your computer or cloud storage. Then add your recipients so Docusign knows who needs to review and sign. Next, in the recipient area, look for delivery options. To enable texting, select the SMS checkbox or choose email plus SMS if you want recipients to receive both a text and an email. This is useful when you want to boost visibility and make sure the signer sees the request quickly on their phone. A quick note on availability. SMS delivery generally isn't included with the standard free Docusign account. It's a premium feature designed for paid subscriptions such as Standard, Business Pro, or higher tiers, and it's typically offered as an add-on. If you don't see the SMS option in your account, that usually means it hasn't been enabled for your plan yet. Upgrading or adding the feature will make the option appear in the recipient delivery settings. When you're ready to address your envelope, enter the recipient's name, email, and their mobile phone number with the full country code. Include the plus sign and the correct country prefix to ensure the text message can be delivered internationally. Double check the number to avoid delays caused by typos. Now set up your document for signing. Place the signature tags, initials, dates, and any other required fields on the pages where they belong. If multiple recipients are involved, make sure each field is assigned to the correct person so everyone sees only what they need to complete. Take a moment to review the layout. Clear, well-placed fields reduce confusion and speed up completion. When everything looks good, click Send. Your recipient will receive a secure text message with a link to open and sign the document on their device. If you selected email plus SMS, they'll receive both and can choose whichever is most convenient. From your Docusign dashboard, you can monitor the status and see when the document has been viewed and signed. That's it. Quick, secure, and mobile friendly. Thanks for watching and happy sending.